at the front.
What's that say? Oh, yeah, okay. Windshield wiper fluid. Ah. Now there's a good sign.
Nitro.
Nitro.
For RC cars.
Okay, where's the car? Is that the car?
Look, methyl alcohol and nitromethane.
Where's that say there?
Contains. Right there.
Oh. Let's see what that says. Contains methyl. Methyl? Ooh, nitromethane. He wasn't lying.
He was telling the truth. He has a Supreme race car here.
So there, Broham, how much is one of these go for?
Basic price of the car.
Yeah, you gotta take long and go.
No accessories. Well, see the unit I've got here, I got the truck factory assembled. I've had special tires for grips and for the rear. I painted the inside and threw the stickers on the body, but the body comes with a package. It's clear. It came with a remote, radio, speed control. You know. This for the basic unit. What you see here, I paid $385. Okay, and then this is called what I have. I have just a regular hobby battery, right? And this is called the glow plug starter, and this is what ignites your fuel to get it running. And then the glow plug, which is there, which is a spark plug, and you know, all actuality, keeps going, keeps the fuel burning. But you need this to get it warm at first, so it can keep, you know, going. Okay.
Expensive stuff.
Well, actually the battery was like $7 and the wire was $8. You can get ones that are rechargeable, and it's a lot more convenient than this. It's just a thing, and you put it on there, and you know, and then it's real simple.
So how did?
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the air cleaner off here so I can get to the carburetor. If you will, turn the radio on. Right. Okay. Squeeze the trigger all the way back, please.
Back is this way too.
Right. Okay, what you've done is open the carburetor up. Well, I'm going to cover that up and suck the fuel right into the carburetor. So we can prime it. Okay, that should be good.
Let it go.
Okay, hand me that. Put the air cleaner back on. And she's a little cold, so... Uh-oh. I'm going to have to give her a few pulls here, probably.
Should we stand back, or?
Oh, no, you'll be fine. If anything, she's going to come right at me. Not feeling very good compression here.
Yep, that's the Monster Mobile.
Check something here real quick. Okay.
Pump that little plastic thing.
This is better. Do the same thing. Hold it back. Yeah, there we go. Feel it now. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let her go. If you will, the radio. Okay, now if I get this started, what I'm going to have to do is quickly put the body on there as I'm trying to keep it running and keep the fuel burning.
Hey, can you drive this thing in the rain?
Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, she's going to go.
That's a good sign, I feel like.
That's how it goes. It'll start in a minute.
Damn, look at that shock. See, them shocks all the way down. Got real shocks on there, don't they?
You doing it slow like that?
It's just a little hard right now. Let me see. Okay. So I had to loosen the glow plug to release the pressure and pull the extra fuel through there. Now I'm gonna reprime it without putting too much in there this time, hopefully. It's a bit chilly out here. Yeah, oh yeah. Well, hopefully we'll get her going this time. I may have a bad glow plug. Turn it off till I get it started.
The monster vehicle will not
It's fucking
participate. The
Usually-
monster vehicle is dead.
Why?
It's
Usually
dead.
It starts right up.
It's just dead, man. It is. Nil. That soup runs harder than that car.
It's hard to tell the pull for some reason.
The master mechanic. Wonder if he's bombed out.
Oh man, I don't know why it won't start.
It runs on nitro fuel methylene. Don't you know? King of the hill.
Is your battery dead?
No.
Stick your tongue down there. Battery shift is all right. You say you paid for that?
And do we need to stand back?
Do we need to stand back? No, it'll come at me. It ain't going nowhere. Watch when it gets to start to be loud as a hell, like a jet, like a monster truck.
Take that little plastic tube off and blow in it or something?
No.
No?
Want me to get the jumper cable and hook it to your truck? Well, this is going to be fun to watch. Whoa, Jew. What you know?
You'll never do that again.
Is that all it did?
Yeah.
$500. And it's over. Maybe you ought to put it up on them there jack stands.
That was a good sound.
Magnum. You want one of them for Christmas?
Yeah. That and the bicycle and the
Hey, what you got? Hey man, don't have that thing in reverse.
It's going backwards.
I saw it. I wanted to move.
What the fuck?
You did something, man. You put something in wrong backwards. Did you pour the gas in backwards?
backwards. Did you loosen something? Did you loosen that thing to keep it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going fucking backwards.
Yeah. Turn that screw back the way it did it, wherever it was.
That ain't it, man. That's
That's right. Seemed like it fucked for a
Why's it going backwards?
something in the transmission.
minute. Like right away?
It did that one day, didn't it? Didn't? I had to
Yeah,
start
remember?
it for a long time.
Connie came out here, you was trying to start it, you went back.
Yeah, I
Hey,
said my
Denny, you was
compression.
still starting it.
How long does it take?
Every time I play with it at my house, I'll hook all the shit up, fucking that thing and put some gas in it, and I'll pull it like 5 or 6 times, and it'll.
How long does it take to charge the battery up?
Oh, I gotta buy new ones. These aren't rechargeable. I didn't get rechargeable ones.
We'll go get some fucking new batteries so we can see the stupid motherfucker run. You paid that much money for it.
Yeah, man, I run it all the time. I drive it
It's gonna
all
go
the time.
backwards, man.
No, not when the radio's right. It's not getting the power in the radio right.
We go
Man,
down
I'll tell ya.
Well,
Bad machine. I'm glad I ain't got one. How much you pay for that, Broham?
400.
They saw you coming.
Fucking kids that drums? Oh, man.
Fucking huge, man.
Oh, man. It is big as hell, though, ain't it?
Hey, help me carry something to my truck.
Oh, yeah, stuffed him in there. I had to squish him a little bit.
Yeah. It's the monster machine. The Nitro Rustler. The Nitro machine. Well, that was fun.
Yeah. It's $400 toy. Move by hand.
Oh, you're supposed to push it by hand? Ah, Broham's bummed out, I bet. He's all bummed out. Kicking the dirt.